Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best electric stove burner cover is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen accessories you can own, transforming your stovetop into a functional workspace or a sleek, unified surface in seconds. And whether you're looking to expand your counter space for meal prep, create a seamless look, or simply protect your burners from spills and debris, finding the right cover can significantly enhance your kitchen's efficiency and aesthetic appeal, making it an indispensable tool for any home cook. Number 5. Whirlpool Electric Stove Burner Drip Pan Set. Introducing a high-quality chrome-plated steel drip pan set designed to enhance your electric stove. This set ensures a stable cooking surface and catches spills effectively. Crafted with durable, chrome-plated steel and eco-friendly plating, these drip pans are built to last. They are non-stick and simple to clean, making kitchen maintenance a breeze. This set includes two 6-inch and two 8-inch drip bowls, designed to fit most Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore electric stove tops. They prevent wobbling for a secure cooking experience. Experience faster cooking times and save on energy costs. These drip pans efficiently catch spills and splatters, keeping your cooktop clean and tidy. Installation is straightforward once the surface has cooled. Cleaning is effortless, whether by hand or in the dishwasher, ensuring your kitchen stays spotless. Worried about compatibility? Contact us with any questions, and we'll be happy to assist you in finding the perfect fit for your appliance. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This set offers a durable, high-quality chrome finish that's built to last. It includes a mix of 6-inch and 8-inch pans, ensuring you have the right size for any burner. The unique locking slot design prevents wobbling, providing a stable surface for your cookware. If you're looking for a reliable, stable replacement that fits a wide range of Whirlpool and compatible brands, this is a solid choice. What people say. It is a good product and it is very easy to clean. I love this product, it is very easy to use and it is very easy to clean. This is a great product and it is very easy to clean. Number 4. AMI Parts Porcelain Burner Drip Pan Bowls Replacement. Introducing the AMI Parts Porcelain Burner Drip Pan Bowls, designed to keep your cooktop clean. This set includes two 6-inch and two 8-inch drip pans in a sleek black finish. These drip pans are designed for a perfect fit with various models, ensuring seamless integration with your existing electric range. They are compatible with part numbers including 53044300149, 3180674041, 53044300150, and 3180675051. Keep your cooktop looking new with these easy-to-clean drip pans. They effectively collect oil, water droplets, and food spills, saving you time and effort. Cleaning up is a breeze. You can easily wipe them clean with a cloth or paper towel, or simply place them in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. At AMI Parts, your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us for assistance or a refund. We're here to help ensure you have a great experience. Not sure if they're the right fit for your appliance? Contact us anytime, and we'll gladly help you verify compatibility before you purchase. What we like? Opt for a sleek black porcelain finish with this set, which is incredibly easy to clean. It effectively collects spills, keeping your cooktop tidy and potentially saving energy. If you prefer a black aesthetic for your stove and need a functional, easy-to-maintain drip pan set that fits major brands, this option is worth considering. What people say. The burner covers are easy to clean and maintain their shine. These covers fit perfectly on my electric stove, preventing spills from reaching the burners. The design is sleek and modern, adding a nice aesthetic to my kitchen. Number 3. Electric Stove Drip Pan Set of 4. Revitalize your electric stove with these high-quality drip pans. They are designed to fit perfectly, giving your appliance a fresh, new appearance. Crafted from durable, chrome-plated steel, these pans resist rust and are incredibly easy to clean. Their thickened design ensures a perfect fit for your stove. These drip pans are compatible with a wide range of popular stove brands, including Kenmore, Frigidaire, and Tappan. They prevent wobbling and keep your cookware stable. This set includes two 6-inch and two 8-inch drip bowls, ensuring you have the right size for all your burners. They effectively catch spills and keep your stove clean. Not only do they keep your stove clean, but these drip pans also help speed up cooking time and save energy. They are simple to clean with soap and water or even in the dishwasher. If you're unsure about compatibility, our team is here to help. We are committed to ensuring every customer is completely satisfied with their purchase. What we like. Experience a thickened, rust-resistant chrome-plated steel construction designed for durability and ease of cleaning. This set is perfect for replacing old, dirty, or rusty drip pans, instantly making your stove look brand new. If your priority is restoring the appearance of your electric stove with a high-quality, long-lasting replacement, this is an excellent option. What people say. The burner covers are easy to clean and fit perfectly on my electric stove. I love how these covers make my stove look so much cleaner and more modern. The material is durable and doesn't scratch easily, which is great for everyday use. Number 2. AMI Parts Drip Pan Set for GE Electric Stove. This set includes 2 large 8-inch and 2 small 6-inch drip pans, along with matching chrome burner trim rings. Everything you need to refresh your stove top. It's time for a change if your old pans are corroded, difficult to clean, broken, or deformed. These essential parts catch spills and keep your cooking experience clean and comfortable. Crafted from non-polluting and hygienic materials, these replacements are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to wear, aging, and corrosion, ensuring superior performance. Designed to fit GE, Hotpoint, and Kenmore electric stove burners, these pans replace numerous part numbers. Check our compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your appliance. Each drip pan is safety tested for consistent quality. Our dedicated after-sales team is ready to assist with any questions, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This set features a stylish chrome D design and is constructed from materials resistant to wear and aging, ensuring longevity. It not only catches spills effectively but also comes with matching trim rings for a complete look. If you're looking for a visually appealing and durable drip pan set that includes decorative trim rings for GE and compatible models, this is a great pick. What people say. The burner covers are easy to clean and fit perfectly on my electric stove. These covers add a sleek, modern look to my kitchen and protect my stovetop from scratches. I love that these covers create extra counter space when my stove is not in use. Number 1. Cenipar Electric Stove Burner Drip Pan Set. This set includes everything you need for your electric stove. You'll get 3 6-inch drip pans and rings, plus 1 8-inch drip pan and ring, all made from durable, eco-friendly chrome-plated steel. These replacement drip pans are designed to fit most GE and Hotpoint plug-in electric ranges perfectly. They ensure your cookware sits stably, preventing any rocking. These are compatible with numerous part numbers, ensuring a great fit for your appliance. Remember to unplug your stove and let it cool before installation for your safety. They help speed up cooking and save energy by catching spills, keeping your kitchen clean. Plus, they are non-stick and incredibly easy to clean, even in the dishwasher. Not sure if this is the right set for you? Contact us for assistance. We offer a 1-year warranty for any issues, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. Get a comprehensive set that includes 8 pieces, 3 6-inch drip pans and rings, plus 1 8-inch drip pan and ring, all with an eco-friendly chrome finish. This set is designed to fit GE and Hotpoint electric ranges perfectly and comes with the added peace of mind of a 1-year warranty. If you need a complete, high-count set for your GE stove with warranty support, this is the one to go for. What people say. The burner covers are a great addition to my kitchen, providing extra counter space when the stove is not in use. These covers are easy to clean and maintain, making kitchen cleanup a breeze. The sleek design of the burner covers complements my kitchen decor perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.